G'day, Wade here from Diggermate. We're going to show you how to use the quick hitch on the 2.5 tonne machine.
Want the best rates on mini excavators and tight access earth moving equipment? Go to diggermate.com and get it done with Diggermate.
So this here is the quick hitch. This is what holds the bucket in. Okay, to release the quick hitch, first of all we have to pull up the silver button. You'll hear it going beep beep. Then we lift the whole bucket off the ground, and then we crowd the bucket in all the way with the right hand lever. And you'll notice the quick hitch has opened up. Now we can put the bucket on the ground and release. You'll notice that the quick hitch is still open. We crowd the bucket all the way in again, and we turn off the silver button, and you'll notice that the latch has locked over the quick hitch. Very easy. So now Chris is just hooking into the top pin. Then you have to crowd the bucket all the way so that the bottom pin locks in. Crowd the bucket all the way. And then when he releases the button, the red lever comes over and locks the bucket in place.
Thanks for watching. To get the best prices on machinery hire, book machines, see specs and availability, go to diggermate.com. If you found this video useful, please be a mate of ours and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the share link below and share this with your friends and give us a thumbs up.